How to use ExpressVPN to watch other countries' Netflix, that's what I'm going to explain in this video. So for the purpose of the video, I'll assume that you've got ExpressVPN downloaded. If you don't, go to the link in the description and it will give you the best deal which is available for my viewers. You can then download it and follow this tutorial. Once you've got ExpressVPN downloaded, you can then open it, and ExpressVPN allows you to change your location to anywhere in the world, and it means you can access different countries' Netflix libraries. Now I'm going to show you an example here on how you can change your Netflix location to watch different movies. So this movie here is The Nut Job 2, and it's only available on Canada and Singapore Netflix. I'm in the UK, so if I go to my Netflix and I search for The Nut Job 2, it's not going to actually show anything because obviously I'm not in Canada or Singapore. So with ExpressVPN downloaded, we can minimize Netflix. We can then go ahead and search for Canada, which we're going to click on. You can see it's selected that location here. We can then run ExpressVPN and it should then connect us to Canada. Okay, so you can see here we're connected. Now we can just go back onto Google Chrome, and what I like to do is go back to Netflix homepage, then refresh the page. Once I've done that, I can then go to the search bar again, type in The Nut Job 2, click enter, and you can see The Nut Job 2 is here. So we can go ahead and click on this, and we can watch this in full HD. I won't be able to show you the movie, but you're just going to have to believe me, it is in full HD. We can watch it without any buffering. Now, if you did want to get ExpressVPN, again, a link in the description will take you to this page where you can get 3 months extra for free when you buy a 12-month plan, or you can just get a 1 month recurring, which I do recommend.